Felix.
Felix. Why would he say that?
Don't be mad at him, okay? He didn't want to tell me I practically had to stick bamboo shoots under the guy's fingernails. I could tell that there was something wrong, and I was worried about you.
What exactly did he say?
He said that you were pregnant and that you didn't want to tell me, so Sabrina, you have to tell me the truth, okay? You're pregnant?
Are you pregnant?
Get him, Alan. Get him.
Last year, thinking they could do their own taxes, Americans left.
This is going to be a good one. Oh, he flips her. Go, Elmer. Here he goes. Oh, she's ferocious. Oh, she's getting bigger. She's a killer dog. Oh, she's a killer. She's a killer dog. Go, Elmer. There he goes.
He's missed it.
Ring around the rosy. There he goes. There he is. Good boy, Elmer. That's a good boy with the puppy. Go, Elmer, go. Elmer. Hey, Elmer. You're a good boy. Elmer. Elmer. Oh, it's tug of rope time. He's going to take the rope and tease her with the rope now. Oh. Get her, Elmer. Get her.
Why'd you get all that on videotape?
Oh, it's all getting on videotape.
I mean, when they were running around the table.
Oh, she just flops her